Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a simple text to an audio using the Visual Studio Code editor alongside with the Python language right here on this channel. But before I take you through this process, let's first of all run this text and convert it to an audio. Then afterwards, we'll learn how to do that from scratch. So you can see the text here on the screen. I'll convert this to an audio right here. Then we'll be able to learn how to do it exactly. So before you'll be able to convert this text to an audio, you need to create a Python file that will contain a certain code, which is right here. And when you run this code, it will be able to convert the text to the audio you want. So let's run this code and see if you get the audio of the text we have here. So you
If
can
you
see here.
enjoy this video, please do your best to subscribe to the channel for our future content.
Did you just hear that? Okay, let's add a bit more text to this text. You can see, um, thank you for coming to this channel. Okay, this is a new text we have added. Let's go back and run the code to see if this will be included. So I'll run the code once again, and then I'll go to the text.
If you enjoy this video, please do your best to subscribe to the channel for our future content. Thank you for coming to this channel.
Did you hear that? So this is the audio here. You can even download it if you wish to. So now, before we go to start creating or developing this project, first of all, what you need to do is to install some packages. So you go to your command prompt. Before you go to the command prompt, you go to any browser that you have, and then you search for what we call Google Text to Speech. That's the short form of it. You can see it right here. You can go to your browser and search for Google Text to Speech. Then you copy this text here. You can text it manually, but it's simple and easy to go with when you copy it. So you copy this and go back to your command prompt, and then you paste this inside the command prompt and run it. So I'm going to paste it here, Control plus V. Then I'll run this. I'll press enter. So you can see the packages have been installed. Now the next thing I will do is to create a new folder on my desktop here and give it any name I wish to. So I can say I'll right click and then go to new and then a folder. I can call it let's say Python 2 or something. You can say Python 2, right? Sorry for the spelling. Say, oh my goodness, Python 2, right? Then I'll press enter. Then I'll open this folder. Then inside this folder, I'll create a file that will contain the text that will be converting to the audio. So I'll also right click here and then go to new, and then here I'll go to text document. So I'll click on that, and then I'll give this file a name. Any name you give it, the last aspect should be .txt, that is for text. So I can say maybe simple, then I'll add .txt, which stands for text. Then before I'll save this, I'll come here and then convert to the text. So I'll click on that. It has been changed to a text. You can see here. Now I'll go to my Visual Studio Code editor and then open this folder we've created. So I'll go to Visual Studio Code editor. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can use Notepad or any other code editor you want. But this is what I am familiar with. So I'll come back here and then I'll go to this section. Sorry, I've come to File, then go to Open Folder. Then I'll go to the desktop and then I'll find the folder I have created, which is Python 2. Then I'll select that folder. and wait for this application to run. So you can see here, this is the text file here. When you open it, you can enter any text you want to convert to audio. So I can say, welcome to my new video. To my new video. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay. So this is the text we are going to be converting to the audio. Now, inside this Python 2 folder, I'll create a new file called Python file, but I can give it any name I want. But it should be a Python file, which means the last aspect of that, the name of the file should contain .py. So I can say project, right? I can give the name of the file project.py, that is py. Then I press enter. So inside this Python file, this is where we'll be creating or writing our code that will be able to convert the text to the audio we want. So now here we are going to import some packages that are from Google text to speech to be able to run this text. So I can say from Google text to speech, import GTTS. Then I'll come down. I'll also import OS, which is operating system. Then I'll come down. Then I can say file, which is F, is equal to open. Then I'll open my bracket. I'll bring my parentheses, or you can call it quotations. Then I can say simple, sorry, simple dot text. Then I can also write x is equal to f dot read. Then I'll bring my bracket. Now come down. I can say language, which is the language that will be converting the text to. Language is equal to, I bring my parenthesis, then I say en, which is English. Then I'll come down here and I'll write audio is equal to Google text to speech. Then I open my bracket. I write text is equal to x, comma. Then I can say slow is equal to false. Then I'll come down. I'll write audio dot save. Then I open my parenthesis. I open the bracket and bring my parenthesis. I can say audio dot wave. Now come down again. Say audio. Sorry. I can say os dot system. Then I open my bracket and bring my parenthesis. Audio dot wave. Now we are going to run this code. to convert the text inside this text file, which is welcome to my new video. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's go back to the Python file and run this code to see what the outcome will be. So I'll run this.
Welcome to my new video. I hope you will enjoy it.
Did you just hear that? We have done it again. So let's go to the text again. Welcome to my new video. I hope you will enjoy it. Now let me add another text to this text to see if it will be included in the audio. You can say, I'm glad to see you watch my video. I hope it is very helpful. Full stop. Please, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Thank you very much. Okay, let's run the code once again to see if this text will also be converted. I'll go to the Python file once again, then I'll run it. Let's go to the text to be able to follow.
Welcome to my new video. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm glad to see watch my video. I hope it is very helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe to the before you leave. Thank you very much.
I hope this video is very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave the channel, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Thank you for coming. See you in our next video. Love you.